Ever thought your morning oatmeal could be the secret weapon your garden's been missing? Yes, you heard that right. Those humble oats you enjoy for breakfast can work wonders in your garden too. Let's dig in. Hey garden friends, welcome back to Nature's Fix. If you're new here, we share natural gardening hacks that save money and boost your harvest. Today, we're diving into the surprising benefits of using oats in your garden. Quick question, where in the world are you tuning in from? I love seeing our gardening family grow. Drop your location in the comments below. Okay, so oats aren't just healthy for people. They're packed with goodies your plants love. Nitrogen for leafy growth, phosphorus for strong roots, potassium for big blooms, and a sprinkle of iron, zinc, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for a thriving garden, and a sprinkle of iron, zinc, and magnesium. These minerals help in various plant functions, ensuring your garden stays lush and vibrant. Plus, oats are gentle on the soil, so there's no risk of burning your plants. They break down slowly, releasing nutrients over time. Want to know which plants love this hack? You might be surprised. Onions, garlic, tomatoes, and many more. Peppers, leafy greens, and pretty much any hungry plant that craves nitrogen. Even your flowers like roses and marigolds will thank you. They'll bloom more profusely and look healthier. Making oat fertilizer is a breeze. Blend 2-3 tablespoons of oats with a glass of water, and you've got a nutrient-rich solution. Pour it around your plant's base every few weeks and watch the magic happen. Your plants will thrive with this simple addition. And watch the magic happen. The oats feed the good microbes in your soil, creating a healthy, happy mini ecosystem. These microbes help break down organic matter, making nutrients more available to your plants. Just don't go overboard. A little goes a long way. And always water afterward. This helps the nutrients seep into the soil. So, will you try oats in your garden? I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural gardening tips. Happy growing! Until next time, keep your garden green and growing.